Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Kashmiri Tehri. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. Begin by washing 4 cups of rice thoroughly, then soak it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, heat 1 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it's smoky. Add 2 thinly sliced onions and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become crisp. Carefully remove these fried onions and set them aside, making sure to save that aromatic oil. Now, let's cook our rice to perfection. In a cooking vessel, combine your washed rice with 6 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Stir everything well to distribute the turmeric evenly. Cook the rice as you normally would, aiming for it to be about 95% done, with most of the water absorbed. Once cooked, let this beautiful yellow rice cool down a bit before our next step. This is where the magic happens, infusing our tehri with its signature flavor. Take the reserved mustard oil, which is now rich with onion essence, and gently pour it over the slightly cooled yellow rice. Add the crispy fried onions and salt to your liking. Using a spatula, mix everything slowly and carefully. The goal is to coat each grain of rice evenly with the oil and onions without breaking them. Your delicious Kashmiri Tehri is almost ready to enjoy. After mixing, cover the pot and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your warm, aromatic tehri as a comforting main dish or a flavorful accompaniment. It pairs wonderfully with fried chicken, paneer, or a simple, fresh chutney for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.